Good morning. Here we are again in our Brinker Modern Farmhouse in Barrington, Illinois. Today we're taking our video from inside the great room. This was originally, before we started, the master bedroom that we're standing in right now. Now it will be the new great room. This was a two-story part of the building. We removed the second floor, which is located right here, about 7.5 feet. There was a big chimney here in the middle with a closed-off fireplace to the bedroom. Also a chimney into a small family room over there. The reason this building was post being construction, which is an older way of doing construction. It's about 120 years old. We took out the roof. The intent was to originally keep the original roof, but it wasn't up to today's code, so we removed the whole roof, put in a big 3-wide, 24-inch deep micro lamp on top in the roof there. In the floor here, which is really interesting, which I haven't seen before, is these logs, which are like tree trunks that were cut out and hewn to make the floor joists, which are every other one. They weren't sturdy enough for our new hardwood flooring that we're going to be putting in, so we're putting 2x8s in between each one of them. And all this here is 2x2s building up the floor to get it level, because this old house had multiple levels. It was multiple additions. This, we believe, was the core part of the house initially, and had like what we think was 3 additions added onto it over the last 100 years. So thanks for watching our video, and check back with us again soon on our progress. Take care.